Hello my twin flames, how are you all? And I hope you are safe, happy, abundant wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. So this is your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine, DM to the DF, who are in a twin flame journey. Okay, and in this video I'm going to tell you what are the love messages, what are the tarot messages for you for your twin flame journey, what are the blockages, okay, what are the doubts divine masculines are having, and the angel messages, what are the universe messages, and many more things. So let's see what are the messages from your divine masculine, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective general divine masculine energy and messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, I hope it will help you out in some manner. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What does they want to say to their divine feminines, okay, who are not in contact with each other. Okay, you are my sun and strength. Okay. Okay, let's start. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine which are important to deliver to all my twin flames who are watching this video. Please guide me in this video, in these messages, to deliver these messages. Please give me the messages which are important to deliver. What does divine masculine wants to say? Please tell me. What does divine masculine wants to say? Let me adjust myself. Okay. Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Wow. I am ready for a new beginning. No one other compares to you. They want to connect with you in 5D. Please connect me in 5D here. Okay. No one other compares to you. I understand our connection now. So now they understand the connection here. Okay. And I am ready for our new beginning. So they are ready. Divine feminines, they are ready for the new beginnings here. You do things to make me happy. You accept and respect my limitations. So that's what they want to say, that you make me, you make things to make me happy. Basically, you do things to make me happy and you accept and respect my limitations. They want to connect with you in 5D here. Okay, and they are ready. They are ready for the new beginnings. So this is beautiful. So many messages. No, I'm not going to take it. Okay, so they want to say you, I know I screwed things up and honestly have no idea how to fix things, but I love you infinite. So they love you infinite. Okay. Divine feminines, they love you infinite. So these are very powerful and beautiful messages. They know that they have screwed things up and they don't know how to make things right. Okay. And they love that you accept and respect their limitations, and they want to connect with you in 5D here. Okay. So let's see more messages here from the divine masculines. What does divine masculine wants to say? Please give me the messages of divine masculines. They are very nervous. Okay. Yeah, it does not feel safe to open up. So they're feeling very nervousness. Nervousness is what they are going through. What does divine masculine wants to say? Please say me. Please tell me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Too many messages. No. Please give me the messages from the divine masculine. Again, too many. Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say? Your picture brings me tears. See, a lot of messages is here. I'm sorry, I can't forgive myself. 0505 is the recording reading time. I'm sorry, I can't forgive myself for how things went wrong. I know I screwed things up and honestly don't have any idea how to fix things. So they are in a guilt mode. They're feeling very nervous. They're feeling the guilt here. They know that they have treated you wrong. They have ruined this connection. They know this, okay? And they're very sorry for that. They can't forgive themselves. I am finding my way back to you, okay? So that's why they're saying that I'm ready for our new beginnings, okay? I'm ready. I am ready, okay, Divine Feminines? I am finding my way back to you, okay? This is the open heart chakra. Now they can feel, okay, and they can feel the flow of our love. I can feel the flow of our love. Their heart chakra is now being opened up. That's why they are saying that I love you infinite, my Divine Feminines, okay? They love you infinite. So this is very beautiful messages here. Then there is, I want to reach out to you, but I can't right now. I do not know which direction to go, okay? Because they know that they have treated you wrong, and they can't forgive themselves. They don't have, see, that's what the energy was, that I was feeling very nervous here, okay? And this was the energy of the Divine Masculine, that they're feeling very nervousness here. But they are stepping up to the places and making big life changes. So if they were in a karmic relationships, okay, if they were having financial problems, whatever situation was there, they're making the steps to make big life changes here. So I'm stepping up to the place and making big life changes. So they're making the big life changes here. I am building a solid foundation. I have never forgotten you. Okay, Divine Feminines, your Divine Masculine has never forgotten you. They are just building a solid foundations. Okay. Then there is your beauty and strength intimates me. Okay. I feel so much joy with you. It's like I am a kid again. So they love being with you, because when they be with you, they feel like a kid again. And your picture brings me tears. So they are keeping an eye on you. Maybe they see, they watch your videos or photographs on Instagram, on WhatsApp, or any social media app. Or if they are having any old photos with them, so they see that photos, and whenever they see that photos of you, they get the tears here, okay? So your picture brings me tears. This is very beautiful messages here. They know, that's why they're saying that I understand our connection now, okay? No one other compares to you, Divine Feminines, and they understand our connection now. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages. A lot of communication is coming towards you, okay? A lot of communication is coming towards you, Divine Feminine. Be ready, okay? Be ready. Say, I am ready. I am open up, okay? Open up to receive. Let's see more messages. What does Divine Masculine wants to say to the Divine Feminines? See, I told you, they are leaving the karmic. See, I am leaving the karmic. I am on mission of becoming Divine Masculines. So they are leaving the karmic, and now they are having a mission of becoming the Divine Masculines. So this is very beautiful and very positive message here, okay? So thank you for giving the messages. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Please give me the message. Okay. Why do I feel lost? What is the message Divine Masculine wants to say? Please tell me, what does Divine Masculine wants to say? I am further on my journey than you think. If you think that they don't understand anything, okay, so trust them that they are more being aware, and they are much more ahead in their journey, okay? I am further on my journey than you think, Divine Feminines. Trust me, I'm not going anywhere. And this is what they want to say here too. Where is that message here? that they are not going anywhere. Okay, trust them that they are not going anywhere. Okay, 1 minute. No. Okay, while shuffling I saw that message. Okay, trust them. They want to say that trust me, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, Divine Feminines, they are not going anywhere. Any other message Divine wants to say, Divine Masculine wants to give? Please give me the messages from the Divine Masculine. Any other message from them? Scale chakra activated or blocked, orange color. So bottom of the deck I'm having, I find it hard to show you my love, so I use sex as a way to show my affection and love. So maybe they are having some of these Divine Masculines, they are having the blocked scale chakra, and some of them they are having activated scale chakra, and you can apply any one according to your situation, but they want to tell you that they find it hard to show you their love, so they use sex as a way to get the affection and love from you. That's why maybe if they talk to you and they message you and they approach you, so they say that they use sex as a way so that they can show their affection and love towards you. Okay, any other message from the Divine Masculine? I want you to be happy. They want you to be happy here. Okay, when I run from myself, so not from you. So they want to tell you that they run from themselves. Okay, they don't run from you. When they run from themselves. We will be reunited. Okay, we will be reunited. That's why they're saying that I am ready for our new beginnings. We will be reunited. Have patience. Okay, have trust that I'm not going anywhere. Okay, trust me, I'm not going anywhere. 12:12 is a recording reading time. This is the beautiful and important message here. And there is air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. So maybe you are Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Divine Feminines, or your Divine Masculine is having air element. Okay, then there is your union is happening very soon. So this is very beautiful. Okay, your union is having very soon. Let me know in the comment section if you get reunited with your twin flame. We will get reunited. I'm ready for our new beginning. They are ready. Your union is going to happen very soon. Okay, so this is very beautiful and powerful message. Hermit mode, I'm doing my soul searching and finding answers from within myself. So they're doing the soul searching and they are finding the answers from within themselves here. Any other message? Any other message? When it quiets, my mind fills with you only, because no one other compares with you, Divine Feminines. Okay, when their mind gets quiet, you are the only thing on their mind. Okay, we are one ever and forever in every lifetime and in every universe. Okay, so you both are one ever and forever, wherever you are in this world or any other world, or in this universe or in any other universe. Okay, you are one. My transformation process is going on, rebirth is going on. So this is beautiful. Okay, so the rebirth is taking place for them. The transformation is taking place. The rebirth is happening for the Divine Masculine. They're going through that process of getting beautiful Divine Masculines. Okay, that's why they say that I am on a mission of becoming Divine Masculines, because the rebirth is happening for them. Okay, they're becoming transformed into beautiful, handsome Divine Masculines. Okay, you can be dealing with an earth elements, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or this can be your sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Any other sign? Oh, any other message? Sorry. Any other message? I see signs and synchronicities about you by music and into dreams. So they are getting the signs here. Okay, they're getting the signs and number synchronicities about you, Divine Feminines. I want you to know how much I care about you. Okay, so this is beautiful. And I am leaving karmic. They were saying to you, I am about to end a tough cycle, karmic cycle completion. So if they were dealing with someone who was the karmic ones, if they are with the karmic ones, the karmic relationships, they're going to end that cycle. They're leaving the karmic relationships. They're completing the cycle of karmic. Okay, the karmic cycle completion is going to happen for them. And you have helped me more than you know. Okay, Divine Feminines, you have helped me more than you know about it. You can be dealing with fire element, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this can be your sign here. I miss you, my soul. Wow, they miss you. Okay, they miss you, Divine Feminines. I miss you, my soul. I will contact you soon, gaining strength to approach you. Okay, so they're gaining the strength to approach you. They will contact you soon. Okay, I'm finding my way back to you. I will contact you soon. I'm gaining the strength to approach you. Okay, so this is beautiful. You are my sunlight. You give me hopes to love. This is beautiful. Their solar plexus chakra and their third eye chakra is getting activated, or it is blocked. Okay, it can be any one thing. Then there is, I'm finding balance through the experiences that I am experiencing. Okay, and you are so much important to me, not just physically but spiritually also. Okay, Divine Feminines, you are so much important for them, not on the physical basis but for the spirituality also, from the spiritual perspectives. Okay, and if you think that my journey is easy, then you are wrong. Okay, it hurts so much without you. No one compares with you. Okay, Divine Feminine, this is the same message which they say here, that there is no one other than you. No one other compares to you. Okay, and it hurts them also because if you think, Divine Feminines, that your Divine Masculine does not miss you or they are very happy, oh no, that's not right. Okay, they miss you. And if you think that their journey is easy, no, then you are wrong. Their journey is also very difficult. Okay, it hurts Divine Masculines to be without you, and no one other compares Divine Feminines. Okay, either they are dealing with the karmic, but they are not happy at all in that relationship too, because that's the karmic one. That's not their Divine Feminines. Okay, so these are the messages. Thank you for the messages. Let me see more messages from the Divine Masculines. Let me see. What are the messages you want me to deliver for the Divine Feminines from the Divine Masculines? Please give me the message. Any other message? See, they want to say too many things. Okay, I'll take it. I will take it. Let me see. Any other message you want me to deliver for the Divine Feminines? What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Is there any other message? Please give me if there is any other message. Okay, this is too small to carry. Okay, any other message from the Divine Masculines? Okay, so yeah, there are so many messages and these are very beautiful messages. I can say you that you will love these messages, Divine Feminines. Okay, let's see. We know we can work things out together. Okay, so they know that you both can work things out together. You make me laugh completely, continuously, and they love this. Okay, you forgive me when I do wrong. You can make me better when I am feeling down. Okay, Touching you is the most wonderful feeling ever, divine feminines. They want to say that touching you was the most important and wonderful feeling for them. You treat me like your prince, or princess is here, but I will say prince, like your princess. You hold the key to my heart. Can you see? You hold the key to my heart. You laugh at my jokes even if they are not funny. Okay? I like how much you respect me. You accept and respect my limitations. So they love this thing that you accept and you respect them, and they like how much you respect them. You would do anything to make me happy, and this is what the same message is. You do things to make me happy. Same message, and they love it. You do things to make me happy. You will do anything to make me happy. The way you run your hands through my hair. So they love when you run your hands into their hair. They love that. Okay. How you share everything with me. Okay. 2112 is the recording reading time. You always take the pain away. Okay. You always take the pain away. You can read my innermost thoughts, and that right, because you both are one. You are not separate. That's why you can read one another very well. You appreciate me. So these are the messages from your divine masculines, and these are very beautiful messages, I can say, divine feminines. Okay, so let's see what are the doubts. What are the doubts, divine masculines? Okay, what are the doubts of the divine masculines? Please tell me the doubts. What are the doubts? Any other doubt? Okay. So they are saying that your words affect me too much sometimes. So divine feminines, please be aware of speaking such words, because your words affect them. Okay, that's the doubts of the divine masculines. Okay, so please try to speak good words, nice words to them. Your words affect them sometimes very much, and it feels too complicated based on our past. Okay, so it feels very complicated, because that's why they're saying, I don't know if I am good enough for you. 1 minute, sorry for the background noise. There is a mosquito spray machine which is there in my society. Okay, so they are saying that it feels very complicated for them based on the past, and they don't know if they are good enough for you. They do not feel good enough for you. They feel that you deserve better than them. Let this machine pass. Wait for 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for that, but let's start again. So divine masculines' doubts are they don't know if they are good enough for you, divine feminines, and they feel very complicated based on the past. Okay, I feel very complicated based on the past. I feel like a bad person when I look into your eyes and remember the things I put you through. So they are feeling very, very guilt here, divine feminine. That's what they're saying here. Wait 1 minute. I'm sorry, I can't forgive myself, okay, for how things went wrong. They feel like very bad boy kind of things, because they know that they have screwed things out. They have put you into situations which you don't deserve, and they feel very bad, okay, person, when they look into your eyes and remember the things they have put you through. So they have that guilt here, divine feminines. Then they want to say, what if I get bored? Okay, what if I get bored? I have a lot of addictions you don't know about. So they have a lot of addictions, and they're asking you that what if they get bored? And what if you end up leaving me for any other person? So they don't want to leave you, divine feminines, and they're saying that what if you leave them for any other masculine? Okay, would you take my independence away from me? Would you take my independence away from me? Oh my god, this mosquito. 1 minute. Okay, so they want to say that I wear a mask to hide my vulnerabilities, my weakness. Okay, so they hide themselves because they want to hide their weakness from you, divine feminines. That's why they are saying that I use sex as to approach you whenever they want to show affection and love. So then they use sex as as a tool to hide themselves. Okay, so that's what they want to say here. That's the doubt they are having here. So these are the things, these are the doubts from the divine masculines. And let's see what are the blockages in your trust issues. Maybe you are having trust issue as blockage, but these blockages you can apply according to your situation. If it is not applying it, so you can leave it out. Okay, so let's see what are the blockages for this reading. Please give me the blockages. What are the blockages here? Okay, see, yeah, right. So they were telling you that they are leaving the karmic relationships. Some of them are in the karmic one. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, they want to tell you, some of you are definitely, they are dealing with a karmic lover. Either you are dealing with or your divine masculine is dealing with, but you know that they are leaving the karmic one. Okay, they're ending the karmic cycle. So maybe they are dealing with the karmic lover here, and some of you are having jealousy here as a blockage. Some of you are having confused and stuck, and some of you can have the blockage of bossy. Okay, so these can be the blockages for your journey. Okay, see, I just cut it out, and there is spiritual connection. The relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime, and that's right, your twin flame and you have spent many past lives together. You both were one. Okay, but now right now you are into different two bodies, but this is your spiritual connection. Okay, so this is the message which I am getting here for you. Now let me add one message from the Lovers Oracle. For this is surrender. Okay, at times we must surrender the old before something new can enter our lives. Okay, divine feminines, let go and all will work out. Then there is, let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. So these are the messages from this deck, and this is very beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see messages from the Fairies Tale. What is the message for twin flame reading? Please give me the message. These are very small one and the cute ones. Okay, I love it. Wow. See, the lady and the gentleman, you both are facing one another. This is the divine masculine and the divine feminines. You both are coming into union. You both love each other. Can you see how this person is offering the cup to the lady, and lady is in a receiving mode? So this is very beautiful energy, divine feminines, because right now you are open up to receive and they are open up to give. Okay, they're giving and you are receiving the cup, the emotions, the feelings they are telling you. Okay, so this is beautiful here. See, death is here, coffin is here, so things are going to change. Death and rebirth is here. Okay, so I was telling you that yes, things are going to change between you and your person. This is the coffin card. So this is the death card, death and rebirth. You already got this message from the divine masculine, and they're telling you that their transformation process is going on. The rebirth is going on, and this is what we get also from this message, that yes, death and rebirth is taking place. Okay, they're going through with the transformation here. Wow. There is a ring. Wow. There is a commitment. Let me know in the comment sections. Okay, they are at the crossroads. They're making a decision to give you a commitment, because you are the key. They're getting the key to approach you. They're getting the solution. They're getting the key, basically. The solutions, how to approach you. Now they are getting the commitment. You are going to get the commitment, divine feminines. Okay, they're going to offer you the ring. Okay, so the commitment is coming for you. This is very beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay, so let me see messages from this deck too. Thank you. Wow, definitely some of you are getting married. There is a marriage proposal which is coming for you. Let me know in the comment section. Many of you divine feminines, your divine masculine is going to approach you. They're going to give you a commitment, a marriage proposal. Okay, so let me know in the comment section. Definitely a marriage is coming for you. Okay, and I'm shaking up. There is a gift which is coming for you. Okay, I'm very happy, because I literally want that all the twin flames get reunion as soon as possible. Okay. Okay. Let me see any other message for this reading. Please give me any other message. Okay. You will receive some kind of message from the divine masculines. Okay. There is some kind of unexpected wealth and unexpected income which is coming for you. So this is the financial abundance which is coming for you, divine feminines. Okay. And there is expectation. So maybe you are expecting something. Expectations are here. You are maybe expecting some financial gains. Okay, and maybe you're waiting for some money opportunities or your income opportunities, and they are coming here. Okay, some of you, you're going to travel somewhere. Here the journey is here. So some of you, you're going to travel here. Yeah, the male, female, that means divine feminines, you're going to travel somewhere. Okay, definitely you're going to travel somewhere. Or if you are not traveling, then it is that you're going to start a new beginning, a new chapter with your divine masculines. Okay, you will receive some kind of message from the divine masculines here. Okay, and they're going to propose you for the marriage. They want to get married with you. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see more tarot messages for you for this reading. Please give me the messages for this reading. What is the message for this reading? Wow. Definitely the marriage is coming here. Twin flame soul merge. Trust in the divine. Surrender to the divine, because he has a better plan. There is marriage which is coming for you, divine feminines. Definitely there is a marriage which is coming for you. I love it. I love it. Thank you for confirming it. Thank you, angels, for confirming it. Thank you, universe. Yeah, they are leaving the karmic partners. They are dealing with someone who are their karmics. Okay, they're pushing you to grow for their twin flame, for your twin flames. But karmics are good, because when karmic relationships come in your life, either in your life to divine feminines or in your divine masculine life, they make you mature. They are your soul teachers. Okay, so they help you in growing. Make your twin flame ready, basically, for you. So they are very much required for your soul's growth. Okay, wow, reconciliation is coming for you. Definitely there is a message which is coming here again. We are bringing information to benefit you. Definitely there is a message which is coming for you. Okay, 1 minute. There is some kind of message which is coming for you here, divine feminines. Okay, and the angels and the divine is bringing a message which will help you. So there is some kind of information which is bringing here, and there is reconciliation. Together we will make it. So definitely many of you are going to get reconciliation here. They're leaving that karmic partners, okay, and they're coming towards you, divine feminines. Okay, so this is very beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what does universe wants to say to the divine feminine. What is the message divine for the divine feminines? Please universe, give me the message. What is the message you want me to deliver? Wow. Any other message for divine feminines? No. Bottom of the deck I am having, wow. You are not alone. We are working with you. Okay, universe wants to say that you are not alone, divine feminines. Okay, we are working with you. Stop dwelling to your past and let it go. Okay, stop dwelling to the past and let it go. Don't compare yourself to others because you are unique, divine feminines. Okay, so don't compare yourself to others. You are unique. Listen and sharpen your intuitive skills. Okay, listen to your intuitions and pay attention to your intuitions, your inner voice. Travel to new places that boost your creativity and imagination. So there is traveling here again. So if you are traveling, that will help you out into boosting your creativity and into your imaginations. So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the messages. Let me see more messages. What should divine feminine do? What divine feminine you should do? Okay, what should you do basically? What should divine feminine do? Okay. What is the message you want me to deliver? What does divine feminine have to do, has to do, should do? Okay, get out of the house. Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me the message. Consult your soul tribe, do something nice for someone. Okay, then there is believe in miracles. You need to believe in miracles. Let go of toxic people and connections. You need to let go any toxic people and connections if you're still carrying on, if you're still dealing on. And there is, you have to write affirmations. So write affirmations. Remember who you were before all of this. Don't compare yourself, okay? Protect your energy, put yourself first. So this is the thing, these are the messages you should do, okay? So now let's see what are the emotions right now your divine masculines are in. They're feeling lonely. What are the emotions of divine masculines? Please give me the emotions of divine masculines. What emotions are in? What are the divine masculines emotions? Please give me the emotions of divine masculines for this reading. What is the emotions? What are the emotions? Okay, so see, they are feeling very regretful and worried and disappointed. So you know that they're feeling very regretful about how they treated you. They're feeling very regretful and they're very worried about it. They're very sorry, remorseful. Okay, they're feeling very worried and they're feeling very regretful because they know that they have treated you wrong. And they are feeling very disappointed because of that here. But they are feeling inspired, motivated, and they're feeling the optimism to move in a forward direction. Hopefulness, okay, full of faith here. Can you see? So that's beautiful energy, beautiful emotions to stay in for the divine masculines, okay? So thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the next action divine masculines are going to take. Okay, what are the next actions? What are the next actions divine masculines are going to take? They are rising as an emperor. Okay. Please Please tell me the next action of divine masculines towards divine feminine. Hierophant again. So they're going to give you commitment, marriage. They want to give you marriage here again. Please tell me what are the next step, next move of divine masculine. Please give me the next move of divine masculines. What is the next move divine masculines is going to take? Call. Some of you, they're going to call you, definitely, okay? What is the next step? They're feeling the emotions, okay? Divine feminines, they are feeling the emotions. Hermit. What is the next step divine masculine is going to take? Wow. What is the next step divine masculine is going to take? Wow. Okay. Let me see first. So they're doing the soul searching because they are having the confusion. There is moon here. They're going through a transformation. Definitely they are going through a process of transformation. So have patience, okay, divine feminines. And they want to create abundance of everything. This is 10 of Pentacles. Abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of everything with you. Maybe right now they are taking the hermit mode. They are right now in a hermit mode. They're doing the soul searching. They're looking the answers from within themselves. They are clearing out the confusions here. Okay. Right now they are in their emotions. Okay. The King of Water, the King of Cups is here. Maybe you're dealing with someone who is a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or earth sign. Earth and water is here, but sign can be anyone here. Maybe there's some kind of temptation here. See, addiction card was there, so maybe they are going through with some kind of temptation, but there is a Tower which is coming here. So this is the divine intervention. Okay, the divine is intervening in your situation, and Tower is always good, because when you do not make the necessary changes in your life, then divine has to intervene in your situation so that you can make that necessary changes which are necessary for your life. Okay, and they see you as someone who is very financially abundant. The Queen of Pentacles, very confident, very abundant, who knows how to manage their finances. Okay, and they're gaining the strength, or you are keeping the strength. Let me see more messages. What is the next step? King of Fire. 1 minute. Let me see all messages. 6 of Wands. Empress. What is the message you want me to deliver? What is the next step? Wow. So they gaining the strength here. Okay, this is their energy and this is your energy too. You both are gaining strength to approach you. Okay, they want to offer the heart here to you. This is 6 of Wands and Empress. You will come towards you will get success here, divine feminines, because right now you are in the Empress mode. Okay, and you are emotionally unavailable. Queen of Swords is someone who is emotionally not available. Okay, who is emotionally detached. Beauty with minds, who follow the intuitions. Okay, and Queen of Swords is someone who will cut immediately anyone who is trying to manipulate and play mind games with them. So this is you, this is your energy, and they are coming. You're waiting for this person to come, and they're coming here with the 2 of Cups, 2 of Water, and 3 of Wands. So they are coming. 14. Okay, so they are coming towards you. You will receive some kind of message. Messenger of Waters. This is the emotional message. The emotional message, the love message which is coming for you here, divine feminines. Wow. See, the Sun and Ace of Wands. So they want to create a new happy beginning. Okay, with you. And this is the Ace of Wands, sorry, Ace of Fires. This is the Ace of Fire. This is the, yeah, Ace of Wands, we can say Ace of Wands. So you ignite the passion into them and they want to start a new happy beginnings with you. Okay, Divine Feminine. So this is beautiful because Sun is the most happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, so they want to create a new happy beginnings with you. Okay, so that's beautiful. That's very beautiful. Let me see what is the message. Thank you for giving the message. Yeah, definitely a lot of abundance is coming for you, Divine Feminines. Okay, let's see what is the message from the Priestess of Light. Okay, what is the message you want me to give for this twin flame reading? Please give me the message. What else you want? This is your twin flame which is coming, and there is a lot of abundance which is coming here. Can you see? You both are coming together into union. Okay, lot of abundance is coming for you. You both are the soul partners, eternal connection, abundance, wealth. You both are coming together. 1555 is the recording reading time. Okay, they're asking me to stop here. Okay, let me see one more thing. Thank you for giving the message. Let me see some messages from this pictures. Let's see what are the messages you are having. This is the story timing, okay, deck. So let's see, this is a unicorn here. There is a unicorn here. Can you see? So this is beautiful. Let's see what is the message I got for this reading from this picture, from the story time cards. What is the message you want me to give? Please give me the messages for this reading, twin flame reading. What is the message you want me to give? There is a lot of abundance which is coming for you. Again, I'm telling you. See, maybe right now you are using your savings. Okay, you're using your piggy bank savings here, but there is a lot of abundance which is coming for you. Can you see? There is a box of abundance which is coming for you. Maybe right now you are reading books a lot, or your divine masculine reads a book a lot, or you both met in library. See, excuse me. So maybe you both met in library. That can be a possibility here. Any other message? They're going to say hi, hi Divine Feminines, hi. They're coming like a lion. Okay, they're gaining the strength. Lion is all about strength here. Okay, so they're gaining the strength and saying hi Divine Feminines. Okay, so yeah, wow. There is a whistle here, so maybe this can be the ringtone or the message tone of your mobile phone. Okay, or your divine masculine will whistle. So there is whistle here. They are definitely coming towards you. See, there are two tickets. So you are going on a journey with your divine masculines, because here I'm having aeroplane, or they are coming towards you. Okay, they're coming towards you here. There is a cat here. So they see you as cat. Meow meow. The cute one. Hi, hi Divine Feminines. Okay. There is a grocery store here, so you can go to a grocery store. That can be a possibility here, or you both met into grocery store, or you both love going to grocery store. That can be a possibility. And there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you. This is the adventures which are coming here. Okay, and there is a kite here, so you're going to fly here high. Okay, Divine Feminines. And there is popcorn here, so you both love watching movies together, and you will watch here again. Any other message for this reading? Maybe they will say please listen to me. Divine Feminines, please is here. And there is what a beautiful day. So definitely you both are going to meet with each other. Okay, or you will say after talking to them. Yeah, see, books are here, so maybe you both love books, or you both met into library here, or you both go to library together and read books. Okay, maybe they will message you into good morning, into the morning. Bottom of the deck I'm having here phone. See, so you'll receive a message into the morning, good morning, okay. You're completing a cycle here, the world is here, so you're closing out a cycle here. Any other message? Okay, so maybe they love football, playing football, okay, or you love playing football, that can be a possibility here, or you both love. And there is cupcake, strawberry cupcake, so either you love cupcakes or your partner loves cupcakes, your divine masculine loves cupcake here. Any other message for this reading? Please give me if there is any other message. Wow. Wow. See what I got. There is key again, and this is lock, and this is the crown, the emperor crown. They got the solution, definitely divine feminines, because can you see? And this was also a confirmation. I just told you the whistle, the ring. I got the ring here at my door. Someone comes, so that's the person who comes to wash the things, to cook the food basically, okay. But they got the key and the lock is open now, okay. So they got the solution, and this is your emperor. This is your emperor. Any other message for this reading? Yeah, maybe they come towards you by car, okay, or you both go into a long, you can say into car, okay, on a long drive. That can be a possibility, okay. You both loving to take a bath together, or you will take a bath together. And there is skateboard, okay. So I don't know, I do not know, maybe your divine masculine loves to the skateboard, or you love it, or you both love it. Any other message for this reading? Definitely travel is going to happen. Can you see? There is a travel bag. So your divine masculine is traveling towards you, or you are traveling towards them, or you both are coming towards traveling somewhere. But traveling is happening here, definitely. I'm having confirmation of traveling here. So they're coming towards you, divine feminines, if they live at far, okay. They're taking the aeroplane, they are packing the bags. Here I'm having many country signs. There is America, there is many countries flag, okay. You can see the flags if it is visible, and you can see the flags here, okay. Australia, America, there is Canada, there is UAE, Singapore, okay. Many other flags you can see, and they're definitely taking the flight and coming towards you, okay. So this was the message from this deck, and thank you for giving the messages. Any other thing which is left for you? Let me see that. Okay. Let me add the signs which you are dealing with, then I'm going to close out this reading, okay. What are the signs you are dealing with? Let me see that. What are the signs for this reading? Okay, they all come out. So they can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. Either you are the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or your divine masculine is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, all signs are here. Okay, there can be a Cancer, water sign here, or they can be Aquarius or Libra here. Okay, let me see more. Any other sign for this reading? Yeah, they can be Cancer here, definitely. Either you are Cancer or your partner, the divine masculine is Cancer here. Yeah, air sign is here. So this is Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Okay, so they can be a Pisces here. Okay, water sign Pisces, and they can be a Taurus here. They can have earth or fire element in their chart, or you are having earth or fire in your chart. They can be earth or air, or you are having it, or there is earth or water element here. They can born on November baby. They can be a November born baby here. They can be a June baby here. They can be a January baby here. They can be a July baby here. They can be an August baby here. Okay, any other message? They can be a Sagittarius and Aries. All fire signs are here, and yes, there is a fire here. Any other sign? Any other message? Okay. Yeah, they can be fire and air here. They can be Libra, okay, and they can be a Virgo here. So these are the signs you are dealing with, or this can be your sign too. So this was your reading for Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you, whoever is watching my video. Take care of yourself, okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.